In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename folders in DaVinci Resolve. If you're organizing your project and want to keep your media pool clean and easy to navigate, renaming folders, also called bins in DaVinci Resolve, is a very simple but useful skill to know. Giving your bins clear names can make a big difference, especially when you're working with lots of footage, audio, graphics, or project assets. It helps you stay organized and makes it much faster to find what you need later. To get started, go to your media pool in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where your folders and imported media are stored inside the project. Take a moment to locate the folder you want to rename and then click on it once to select it. Make sure you're clicking the correct folder before moving on, especially if you have several bins with similar names. Once the folder is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options related to that bin, and the one you're looking for is the Rename option. In DaVinci Resolve, this will usually appear as Rename Bin. Go ahead and click that option. As soon as you choose Rename Bin, the folder name will become editable. You can then type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what's inside the folder. For example, a simple and specific name can make your editing workflow much smoother, particularly in larger projects where organization matters more and more as the timeline grows. After typing the new name, confirm it by pressing Enter on your keyboard. The folder will immediately update with the new name, and that's it. You've successfully renamed your folder in DaVinci Resolve. This is a small action, but it can really improve the way you manage your project. Keeping your bins properly named can save time, reduce confusion, and help you move through the editing process more efficiently. If you're building a habit of organizing your footage as you go, this is one of those quick steps that can have a big impact. That's how to rename folders in DaVinci Resolve.